So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the second video of the series of lectures. As I have discussed in the previous video, after importing the geometry from the external CAD part, or you can generate that geometry in the design modeler, and then I'm double clicking on mesh. After you double click on the mesh window opens. This is how it looks. First you have to generate a default mesh. You can see the progress here down. So this is not structured mesh here. So our aim is to make it structured. In order to do that, I'm using sizing option to improve my meshing. So click on one face. When you click on sizing, you will find that one small window open towards your left. Here, select number of divisions, and I'm giving number of divisions as 300. So you can change as you wish, but I'm taking 300. So after you give number of divisions, I suggest you to give face meshing. This face mesh will increase the quality of the mesh tremendously. So once we select face mesh, we have to select all the parts. So for that, go to mode, box select, draw a box. It will select all the parts and apply. Hit apply. Once you apply, now let us generate the mesh. Hit generate. So once we have done the mesh will look like this. So this means your mesh is completely. So in order to know what is your element size, you can see towards your left. When you click on mesh, the details of the mesh towards your left, you can see the element size as 3.16 into 10 to the power of -2. So which is good. If you want more finer mesh, you can change your mesh details here and update your mesh. And in order to know what the stats of your mesh, you can click on the stats. You can see how many nodes and elements are formed in your complete domain. There are approximately 1,54,000. And if you are using a cracked version of Ansys or a previous version of Ansys, you might find another small option here where you can check each individual stat of your mesh. So there you can check the orthogonality and sizing and skewness factor and etc. Where you can see that the orthogonality should be nearer to 1, so that you will get proper results in your future setup and solution. So this is how we generate a mesh. In order to proceed further, we have to give namings to the domain. I'm giving this as axis symmetry because this is the symmetric part of the domain, where we are analyzing only the half part of the domain, and the second part will be a mirror image of this complete domain. So name it as axis symmetry, and this would be our inlet. So name it as inlet, and this would be our outlet. So outlet, and this should be our nozzle wall. So make sure you zoom in and see that all the corners of this are selected, because there will be few corners where you can't see, but they will be existing. So you should make sure all the parts are selected. So this is the wall, and this too will be far field. So in order to select and use control button to hold, and this will be far field. So yeah, this this is how the naming looks like. You can see in the tree. So after you name the domain, you will find the naming section towards your left. So this is the axis symmetry. When you click the metric below the axis symmetric line, this will be the inlet, that is the outlet, and this is the wall, and this is the far field. So thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video where we are going to solution. It's about the solution part, how to set up the solution, and thank you for watching.